Here I'm close to finished with my project. I was working with this graphite and it's a little bit messy. The edges of my hands pick up the graphite, so I try to keep my hand off the paper as I work. And our study here is about value. This is just an exercise, just a practice to get better. I wanted to get like a 10 in value. If this is 0 or 1, all the way to 10. So I wanted it to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that this is almost as black as I can get it with the tool that I'm using. And then this is the white of the paper on the left side. And then, of course, we reverse that so that I'm at about a 9 here in the middle of my paper on the sphere that appears. And then it shifts all the way to the white of the paper, 1 on the right. So that reversing of the values is how we're going to find the shape. A couple of things I learned along the way. You might have noticed I have a couple of lines, and that's due to the texture on the table as I did my rubbing with my graphite. So I started out by sweeping away any little crumbs that I could find on the table, but there may be some textures that result from the rubbing. I forgot when I started to do an outline on my paper. I highly recommend that you do that first. Give yourself just a little bit of a border of white. That makes the finished product look a little bit nicer. And I did not draw a circle with a line. Instead, I let value develop that form slow but steady as I went around. This will take you about a half an hour to 45 minutes. So if you're going faster than that, you're probably not practicing correctly. If you're up for a different kind of value gradient, here is a different kind where we are dark on the outside and fade to light in the center. And then with our sphere, we did the same thing. Dark on the outside, fading to light in the center. This is a different take. I used crayon for this value study. And if you decide you'd rather do the dark on the edges, light in the middle, fade, that's another acceptable choice for this practice. The goal is to get a gradual shift from white to as dark as you can make it. Good luck.